Distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, the International Literacy Day is celebrated this day every year throughout the world. It is an occasion to create greater public awareness about the social ill and to mobilize public opinion in favor of the continuing struggle against illiteracy. It also serves to renew our commitment towards its eradication. It is gratifying to note the steady progress made in literacy levels in our country after independence. Literacy rate has increased by 4 times from 18% in 1951 to 74% in 2011. Despite this, our literacy rate is below the world average of 84%. The reasons are not very hard to decipher. A huge accumulated backlog of non-literate makes the task of achieving a significant rise in literacy rate harder. The time has come to put in renewed vigor and concerted efforts to improve our literacy rate. It has been envisaged that by the end of the 12th five-year plan period, we would achieve 80% literacy rates and also narrow the gender gap from 16 to 10 percentage points. Our ultimate objective should be to bring the literacy rate not only at par with the world average, but the levels attained by the leading nations. The existing gender disparity in literacy levels has to be breached by turning our attention to girl child and women. Our attempts at achieving the widespread literacy should be complemented by efforts at alleviating poverty, mitigating inequity owing to gender and social category, and improving access to schooling. We have to gear up machinery at all levels: national, state, district, block, and Gram Panchayat. The implementation structure has to be strengthened by improving government agencies as well as reputed organizations in the non-government and private sectors. With the active participation and commitment of all stakeholders, particularly literacy functionaries, I am confident that we will achieve these targets. Distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, several debilitating factors have hampered our progress in literacy, especially adult literacy. These have underscored the need to embark upon a tangible plan. Recognizing this imperative, the government has launched the Sakshar Bharat program on this very day 4 years ago, as it was mentioned by HRD Minister Dr. Raju. This initiative was aimed at establishing a fully literate society through improved standard of the adult education and literacy. 70 million adults in the age group of 15 years plus were the primary target for imparting functional literacy under this program. The adult education centers at the Gram Panchayat level were made responsible for teaching learning activities at the grassroots level. The National Institute of Open Schooling was entrusted to conduct learners' assessment and give certification for basic literacy and education equivalent with the formal educational system. I am told that more than 20 million learners have already been certified as literate. The success of the adult education program will depend on how well it can adapt to emerging changes. Instead of functioning as a transient agent, this mission has to take a shape of the regular and a permanent mechanism. Such machinery should be established and sustained at the level of various administrative authorities and also civil society organizations, social partners, community, private sector, and adult learners and educators organizations. Ladies and gentlemen, In our fight against illiteracy, we have to create greater public awareness and opinion about this scourge. Through meaningful advocacy, we have to create amongst those who are unable to read and write an inner urge to become literate. The success of our literacy program ultimately depends on the willingness and cooperative of the people. I call upon each and every citizen of our country to take up this challenge and contribute in making our countries free from clutches of illiteracy. With this, once again, I welcome the distinguished delegates, especially the foreign guests, and wish the deliberations all success. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.